Good morning. Today is Thursday, May 14th, and here are our lessons for the day. So as always, you can find a brief description of each lesson on our Canvas page in the weekly agenda, and we'll start off with English Language Arts today. So yesterday for English Language Arts, your job was to start a brand new type of writing called realistic fiction, and you got started by brainstorming a character, what their name is and what they look like, and some things that they like and some things that they dislike. And you're going to use this character brainstorm chart to come up with a story about this person that you brainstormed in your head yesterday. So today's focus is still on realistic fiction writing, but you've already come up with your character. So your job today is to sketch the problem, quest, and solution in your graphic organizer. So your success criteria is I can use my graphic organizer to sketch problem, quest, and solution. So we did this just a little bit before we got out of school. So I'm going to kind of remind us what problem, quest, and solution mean by using my character to come up with a sketch of a problem, quest, solution in our graphic organizers. So you can find your graphic organizer. There's two different versions. On our Canvas page, there is an editable version that you can type right into on your computer. And there's also a printable version that you can print out and write directly into. So the three things that we're focusing on in this graphic organizer today are the problem in yellow, the quest in blue, and the solution in red. So it says, what is a realistic problem that the character could have? Well, if I go back to my brainstorm, I see that my character does not like swimming. So I can use that to come up with a problem in my realistic fiction story. So I'm going to say that the problem is Shirley's friends invited her to go swimming. Okay, and for Shirley, that's a problem because she does not like swimming. So in blue, our next job is to sketch the quest. So what is the character doing to try and solve the problem? So the problem is that Shirley's friends invited her to go swimming. So what is Shirley going to do to solve the problem? Well, I think what Shirley's going to do is she's going to start coming up with different ideas of things that her and her friends can do together. And she's going to give her friends suggestions, like maybe we can go to a museum, or maybe we can go to the park, or maybe we can go to the candy store, do some different things instead of going swimming. All right, so now we have our problem, now we have our quest, what Shirley is going to do to try and solve the problem. The last thing that we need to sketch today is a solution, which is how is the problem solved, okay? So we know that the quest was Shirley trying to come up with some ideas to help her solve the problem. So the solution should be kind of related to the quest, okay? So Shirley came up with some ideas to solve the problem, and one of those ideas was to go to the park, and Shirley's friends thought that that sounded like a pretty good idea. So at the end, they all ended up at the park together. So that's kind of what you would do to sketch your problem, your quest, and your solution. And if you're printing this out or if you're writing it on a separate piece of paper, you can sketch these using your own drawings. I just have this on the computer, so it was super easy for all of us to see, which is why I used pictures from the computer. But if you are typing into the computer and want to use pictures from the computer, that's okay too. All right, and for math, our focus is iReadyMath once again, and the lesson today is called Add Together and Put Together Word Problems. And your success criteria is I can solve a word problem by compose or putting numbers together. And that is the lesson on top today underneath your teacher assigned lessons right here called Add To and Put Together Word Problems. And if you've already done both of your iReadyMath lessons for the week and would like to still continue working on iReady, you can work on your MyPath lessons today. All right, and as always, don't forget to read independently for 30 minutes today. And one super duper important thing is that your page ahead book selections are due today by 10 p.m. so that I can get those into the order form, okay? So if you haven't already sent your 12 book choices from the book catalog, please send those today. And you can check out our specialist websites for any additional activities. And we will have Zoom today at 1 o'clock. And I sent the link along with this video. So I hope to see you all at 1 o'clock. Have a great day and see you at 1. Goodbye.